Hey guys, Hunter with Shocker Hitch. We're going to do an install of our 30K Gooseneck Surge on this 32-foot raw max. Step 1, loosen your set bolts. Step 2, pull your pin. Step 3, drop out your stem. Step 4, slide your new Gooseneck Surge in. Step 5, put your safety pin in. Make sure you set the key on the side. Step 6, tighten up your set bolts. Now that you've completed all the install steps, now it's time to hook up to your pickup or your tow rig. Make sure you grease the ball properly to allow optimum functionality for the hitch and also to eliminate wear and tear on the coupler and ball. Also, another thing is to check the clearance for the airbag. This hitch does move with the trailer, so when you turn, the back of the airbag will also turn. So just want to make sure that you've got enough clearance around your ball area that nothing's going to hit this hitch when you turn. So now that we got the hitch installed and we're hooked up to the tow vehicle, now it's time to set your air pressure. Super easy, just got a valve up on top here. You can use any handheld pump, just essentially clips on and you're set to go. Our gooseneck hitches are not by set pressure, it's by feel. As a famous shocker Bob would say, it's like finding a radio station on your radio. Just turn the dial. When you go too far, it'll get scratchy, so you turn back and you find that sweet spot. So what we recommend is drive down the road a little ways, see how it feels. If you feel like nothing's there, add a little more pressure. If you feel like it's really rough, you have too much pressure. We have installed our 30K Gooseneck Surge on this raw max gooseneck. I'm just going to talk over some features of this hitch and why it's going to benefit you when you're pulling your rig. Our Gooseneck Surge is designed to take out the jarring that your trailer gives you when it hits a bump. So when your trailer hits a bump, you feel that light tug. We send that energy through this airbag instead of you feeling it in the front seat of the pickup, which then smooths the ride out for you. Also, when you eliminate that energy going through the frame of the pickup and the trailer, you also eliminate wear and tear on your equipment as well. So kind of a dual benefit with our hitch, that you're getting a nice smooth ride and then you're also adding longevity to your equipment. Thanks for watching. Join us at shockerhitch.com to check out all of our products or find your local dealer.